Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create an estimate in your Bookipi account. Now, once you are in bookipi.com, log in, and once you have logged in, you want to go to your dashboard like so. Wait for it to load because it does take a couple seconds, right? Even if you have fast internet. So once you are in your dashboard over here, you want to click on the very first option that says invoice, right? So what you want to click create invoice like so. And here on the left hand side, you're going to have a sub tab that says invoice at first. Next up, underneath it, it's going to say estimate. So that's what we want to click. So click estimate. There we go. And here you want to either create estimate or create proposal AI, right? You want to create estimate. And here you can just customize everything, set up everything the way you want. So your estimate number, purchase order number, your date, right? And then the goods that you want, you can add digital goods, you can add how much it is, you can add discounts and shipping costs. You can have, it's pretty much kind of like setting up an invoice, right? And then you can add a note, you can even upload a photo, right? Drag and drop, you have a title and description of the photo, and then you'll be good to go. So that is how you have an estimate set up on Bookipi. And again, this is for PC version. It's a bit different on mobile, but it's practically the same in essence, right? So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.